Tell us a little bit about what the sort of first 100 days were like, and some of the things you had to go through.
Yeah. Just like, it was almost a bit of a fake it till you make it situation. I didn't want the staff to know that I know absolutely nothing what's going on, And then also, I'm obviously the new boss, or manager, or whatever you want to call it. So, all of them want to come talk to me and come almost like show to me, like what they are doing, and I think that's part of the important human need, and managing the people. But 90% of the things they're telling me, I had absolutely no idea what it was, or what they needed. They would come to me with a problem, and I would be like, I have no idea what this is. So I think you kind of learn, and then you kind of build your confidence. But I think walking in there, I knew we're not gonna upturn the tables or change anything immediately, but and everything should just continue, and I think also with the mindset knowing that I'm not a pharmacist, and I'm more there to support the staff. So the staff know what they do. Some of the staff have been working there for 35 years. How can I best support them? And they are actually the ones doing the work. And knowing how everything operates. So coming in, how can I support you? So I think we came in with that mindset, which helps a lot, because otherwise, if you can think of everything that go wrong, I will never sleep.